Good morning, students. So students, in the last class I teach you about multiplication, right? So multiplication means what? Repeated addition. Okay, so today I will teach you about counting in twos. Okay, 2 times table, how we have to count the things. Okay, and with the help of one example, how we can write the 2 times table. Okay, so see in your book, page number 129, say fill in the blanks to get the 2 times table. So with the help of this fill in the blanks, we can find out the 2 times table. Okay, so see the diagram, or I can say the figure. So this figure is of a bicycle, right? Now we have to count the wheels. Okay, so see in the first bicycle, 2 wheels are there. So 1, 2 is, that means one bicycle having 2 wheels, right? And this one, how we can write? One bicycle having 2 wheels. Okay, and the number of wheels are what? In one bicycle, the number of wheels is 2, right? So we have to write 2 here. Okay, now see the next one. See the next figure, 2 bicycles are there. So we'll write 2 bicycles, and 2 bicycle having 2 wheels each, right? So now how many wheels are there? Just count the wheels. So 1, 2, 3 and 4 wheels are there, right? So we'll write 4 here. So 2 twos are what? 4. Okay, 1, 2 is 2. 2 twos are 4. Okay, now see the third one. 3 bicycles are there. So we'll write 3. And now the number of wheels in each bicycle is what? 2, right? So now total how many wheels are there? Count the wheels. 2 plus 2 plus 2, it will be 6, right? So we can say it like 3 twos are 6. Okay, so what I have said, 1, 2 is 2, 2 twos are 4, 3 twos are 6. Okay, okay, now see the next one. Now 4 bicycles are there, so we'll write 4 here, and 4 bicycle having 2 wheels each, right? So now total number of wheels will be what? Just count the number of wheels. If one bicycle having 2 wheels, then 4 bicycle will have 8 wheels, right? So here we can write 8. Now how to say this one? 4 twos are 8. Okay, okay, now see the next one. Now 5 bicycles are there, so we'll write 5, and each having 2 wheels, right? So now 5 twos are what? If we combine 2 5s, then we'll get what? 10, right? Okay, now see the next one. 6 bicycles are there, and 6 having 2 wheels each. Now 6 2's are what? If we combine 2, 6, then what we will get? $12, right? So 6 2's are 12. Okay. Now see this one. 7 bicycles are there and 7 having 2 wheels each. Now how many wheels are there? 7 2's are 14. Right? Okay. Now see this one. 8 bicycles are there and each having 2 wheels. Now how many wheels are there? 16. Right? 8 2's are 16. Okay. Now see this one. So 9 bicycles are there and 9 bicycles having 2 wheels each. Now how many wheels will be there? 18. Right? So how to say this one? 9 2's are 18. Okay. Now see the last one. So now 10 bicycles are there and 10 bicycle having 2 wheels each. Now how many wheels will be there? Just count the wheels. It will be 20. Right? Okay. So repeat after me. How to say this one? 2 times table. 1 2 is 2. 2 2's are 4. 3 2's are 6. 4 2's are 8. 5 2's are 10. 6 2's are 12. 7 2's are 14. 8 2's are 16. 9 2's are 18. 10 2's are 20. Okay. So I hope that you have understood about the 2 times table. So whenever we double a number, right? If 2 is there, if we add one more 2, then we'll get 4. If 3 is there, if we add one more 3, then we'll get 6. If 4 is there and if we add another 4, we'll get 8. If 5 is there and again we'll add one more 5, we'll get 10. If 6 is there, again we'll add one more 6, we'll get 12. If 7 is there, again we'll add one more 7, we'll get 14. If 8 is there, again we'll add one more 8, it will be 16. If 9 is there, again we'll add one more 9, we'll get 18. And if 10 is there, again if we add one more 10, we'll get 20. Okay. Okay, so I hope that you have understood about the 2 times table. Now see below, we can also count in 2's, okay, on the number line. So how we can count it? Just see. We have to take 2 steps, okay, in order to show any number on the number line. So we'll start from 0 and then we'll take 2 steps. So one step is from 0 to 1 and then 1 to 2. So all together we'll take 0 to 2. Okay, wait a second.
0 to
right?
2.
Then again we'll take 2 steps, 2 to 4. Again we'll take 2 steps. Okay. So again we'll take 2 steps, 4 to 6. Again we'll take 2 steps, 6 to 8. Again we'll take 2 steps, 8 to 10. Then again 10 to 12, 12 to 14, 14 to 16, 16 to 18, then 18 to 20. This is how we can take these steps, okay, on the number line in order to show the 2 times table. Okay, now below this one box is there where you have to write the number that you get in 2 times table. So what are the numbers that you got in 2 times table? So first one is 2, right? Next number you have to write the numbers according to this, fill in the blanks. Okay, so first you got 2, then second what you got? Second number will be what? Second number will be okay, second number will be 4, then 6, then 8, then this one is 8, okay. Then 10, next number 12, then 14, 16, 18, 20. So all these number you have to write here inside this box. So 2 is already written. Here you have to write 4, then 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. Okay, like this you have to fill this one, okay, in your book. Okay, so that's all for today. I hope you have understood 2 times table. You just see the numbers, okay. Learn this one very well because this will help you in your further studies, right, where you have to apply all these things. Okay, 2 times table, 3 times table, every table you have to utilize it. Okay, so that's all for today. You have to write this one in your book and you have to write the numbers inside this box. Okay.